Hi everyone. Hope all of you have had a great start to 2021, and here's hoping that it's much better than the last year. So I know it's been a while since we uh, uploaded the last video. We're definitely going to try and be more regular now. We have a few exciting products on the way, so really can't wait to shoot more videos and upload them. But let's cut to the chase. So what we are going to be talking about today are mesh routers, right? And we have one for you today. We'll be unboxing it. This is a pretty low-end model, but we have a few of these units, so we'll kind of give you an idea about what mesh routers actually are. Do you really need them? And what are the benefits of having a mesh router over a regular standalone router that you may have at your home right now? Okay, so what exactly is a mesh router? Um, a mesh router is basically designed to blanket your house with Wi-Fi coverage, eliminate absolute, dead zones, ensure that wherever you are in the house, you get optimum, consistent signal and speed. Unlike a typical router which you get with your ISP, right? Usually the ISPs that I've used give you a very basic standalone device which will just about ensure that you have some coverage in your house. And if you're a gamer, if you're into streaming content, it may not be the best device to go with, right? What a mesh router will do is connect to your ISP router, and that unit acts as your main unit, and that unit can further be connected to multiple satellite units which can be placed at pivotal points inside your house. So at present, I have a house which is just a little over 2,000 square feet. I'm using a setup which has two units, one main unit and one satellite unit. So I just got this one to kind of improve the coverage because I'm trying to stream some content and I'm having a little bit of difficulty getting consistent signal across the house, right? So couple of key benefits. Of course, great coverage, similar speed throughout the house, right? I had a very good gaming router prior to using this, and while it was a great one, I did realize that I wasn't getting similar speed across the house. So I was kind of thinking what to do. Should I go for a more expensive one, a more high-end one? And then I heard about mesh routers from a friend, and surprisingly, it didn't cost me even as much as my last router, and basically it fits my needs perfectly. So and again, you don't have to go all out. What you can do is you can basically do a little bit of research. We'll try and give you some idea, but get one unit and then build on your setup, basis what you need. So without further ado, let's get to the unboxing. I'm just going to grab my trusty unboxing knife, and okay, this is the murder knife, Jishnu.
Before we unbox this, I'm sure you're new to the channel. Everybody is. It's a new channel. A like and a sub would be great. Leave a comment down below. If you find any of this useful, share it with your friends. It's going to really help us. Alright, so that being said, let's get to the unboxing part of it. So the product is actually by TP-Link. It's called Deco E4. There are other models with better features. This is a pretty low-end model in this segment, but I found that this fits my need perfectly, so I kind of went for it. Okay, so decent box. I finally have the unboxing knife. This is not the murder knife, this is the unboxing knife. Okay, so it doesn't really have a pull tab or anything, so I'm having a little trouble finding the right. Okay. That's how it is without that plastic wrapping. It comes with a 3-year warranty, and yeah, just having a little trouble finding. Pretty simple actually. I'm gonna put this away for some time, and again, no real markings on it, but the standard white box. So this is the main unit, right? Looks like a smart device. You got looks reminiscent of maybe an Alexa or a HomePod. It's basically a small cylinder. The build quality is nice. It's all plastic, but it's not the cheap, clicky plastic. It feels solid. There's a little bit of weight to it, so don't really have much to complain. I mean, this basically is just going to sit in a corner, while it's not aesthetic, but it's not something that's an eyesore either, right? So I think I'm fairly happy with it for the price that I paid. Um, Guessing this is going to be the charger. Yep, and that's pretty much it. And okay, a flat LAN cable, so that's good. This definitely looks better than your regular rounded cables. And that's pretty much what comes in the box. So here's the unit, and we are just going to set it up. There's an app which will help me add this onto my existing network of 2 devices. I'm going to place it in a room where I usually stream content, but I don't have a router there, right? So that's basically it. Thanks for sticking with us so far, and keep watching the channel.